Hello everyone. Sorry for me stopping the video without me saying anything. Last video, it was an honest mistake. My phone just switched off and stopped all of my recording. So I did post that video, just right before this video, and as you can see, four of my what are they called? Trucks or whatever we call it, panel vans are back at base, back to base, yes. And the one that went to Carltonville, let's see, is it coming back or let's see? Yes, it is one of those which are coming back, and I did make an honest mistake last video. Me saying that when an arrow is pointing to the left, it means that the van's coming back to base. I was wrong. Um, so when it has that arrow which is going to the left, that panel van just left the depot and is on its way to deliver the things. And with you will see with this sign on the QOZ2292, then when it has that van which is going back, that means that it is coming back to base. So yeah, so and you create money while doing this and yada yada yada. I currently do not have a headquarters because they haven't fully finished creating this game, I'll say. But they will eventually finish, and I would like them, sincerely like them, to. What was I going to say? I genuinely forgot. Ooh, short memory, huh? Okay, okay. So, yeah, this is my country, South Africa, the country that I live in, and I live in this township here. Zoom in this township here on the west uh, of the township west of Joburg called Soweto. That is where I live. That is the place that I call home. The place that I spend. The place that I spend. That English is not English. The place that I spend it. The place that I spend most of my time growing up in. Oh, isn't that van just flying? Look at it. Harry Potter magic. Oh. Da 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 da. Yeah. As I said last video, just comment on video and say that you want me to play this game again, or say that you want me to play another game because I'll try to download it and play. But just try to make it a single player game because I currently do not have any online friends. But if it is an online game, I will try because currently I do have Roblox and I will eventually post a Roblox video. But yeah, yes, I will try because of these rules are basically testing those details. Yeah, okay. So from the silence, I just think of something. Because if you see above here, where's Rodipot? Oh, Krugersdorp, yes. Krugersdorp, this. Ooh, sorry. Sorry. Krugersdorp. Krugersdorp. That area right there. Um, that is where I think, in its general vicinity, I think that is where the cradle of humankind is. And the cradle of humankind is the place where humans changed, no, it's the place where we found the oldest skeleton of the modern, the modern human. So you can technically say that South Africa is the Earth's homeland. Just think about it. So, so basically, what we're saying here is that every single foreigner, every single person outside of South Africa is technically South African because their ancestors are from here. This beautiful country that looks like a rhino that was deformed very badly. Mm. South Africa, a domed country because there's Lesotho in the middle. Yes, the great land of Lesotho, the highest country in the world. Mm. Many people ask why South Africa is not part of. No, many people ask why Lesotho is not part of South Africa. It's not part of South Africa. If you want to find out, just go watch a Geography Now video on South Africa, and you'll find out. Many wars and many of those things go together with why Lesotho isn't part of South Africa, isn't one of the provinces of South Africa. Because if Lesotho was one of the provinces, it would have been, I think, the third smallest after Gauteng and Mpumalanga. They will follow Lesotho. Just imagine that. And just look at this. The Northwest, this giant thing right here, the one that has a knife and looking like that, um, it's the biggest province in South Africa, but it has the smallest population. I think that, I think that, yeah, I think that the Northern Cape is the same size as Portugal, but has way less people. Only just, I think, surpassing 1.3 million people. That is 6 times um the 6 times smaller than the population of Gauteng, whereby don't forget Gauteng is the smallest province in South Africa, but it is also the richest region or region, province or state in Africa. You just choose. You just choose which one you use. I do not care. State, region, I do not choose. Look at Uganda. And funny thing is that Uganda in Zulu no, Ganda in Zulu means that stepping on something, or yeah. So if you hear someone saying that we are Ganda, they mean that you are stepping on my foot or stepping on me or something. Yeah, translations. Yes. Good for the mind, huh? Um, so yeah. Oh, I can finally breathe. And fun fact about this region called Gauteng is that the oldest township, the oldest majority black township in Gauteng is Alexandria. Where is it? It's almost like you're going to Pretoria. It's in the middle here, I think, just between Midrand. No, just between Rosebank and Joburg. That's where you will find Alexandria. But Soweto is way bigger than Alexandria. For being such a small township, it holds, I think, 20% of Joburg's population, with over 2 million people living in Soweto only. You can Google that if you want, because I won't say anything deprive you from knowing what you know. Because I'm still a kid, as you know. I'm still a kid because you saw that video, the American Marksman video. That was when I used my face cam. I was like, everything's back to base. The portal. 2000, that's nice. That's nice. So, yeah, but these things is interesting. It is extremely interesting. Because what I try to do is try to make you people find things out yourself. And yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah. Yeah. You can find things out by yourself without any help from me. Yeah. What does this do? What does this do? Ooh. Ooh. Can't do that anymore. It's ugly. It makes my screen look ugly. It makes my screen look broken. Why shall I? Bless me. Thank you. Bless me. Just freeze that. Hey, what the? That time's the charm. I think that is when my sneezing will stop. And it's nope. Yeah, there's another sneeze coming up. Oh, let's just move this. Oh, let's throw that there. And yes, as you can see, that most of my panel bands are back to base, just collecting their things and whatnot. Ah, this van is flying. Yeah, if you want to see another video from me, Mzanzidi, and just comment, like, subscribe at your own risk, and yeah, Sanyanora. Oops, Sanyanora.